you were hoping the iPhone 18 would look wildly different, please lower down your expectations. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. According to fresh leaks, Apple is planning only subtle design changes for the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max, dropping this September, largely because the iPhone 17 lineup has been such a smash hit. The leak comes from Weibo leaker Fixed Focus Digital, who claims Apple's so happy with the iPhone 17 success that executives would be celebrating with champagne. Easy words? Why fix something that isn't broken? Visually, the iPhone 18 is expected to look almost identical to the previous one, but beneath the shiny wrap, things could get a lot more interesting. The biggest upgrade would be Apple's A20 and A20 Pro chips, which will be the real stars of the show. They'll probably give you faster speed, better efficiency, and more AI features. Cameras may quietly steal the spotlight too. One rumor suggests Apple could finally introduce a variable aperture main camera, something its rivals have offered, but Apple never. That would allow the phone to better control light intake and depth of field, giving you sharper photos in tricky lighting and more creative shots. But that's not all. The iPhone 18 Pro models could get a new telephoto camera with a larger aperture, improving low-light performance and reducing image noise. On the design area, Apple may rethink the controversial two-tone back introduced with the iPhone 17 Pro, although insiders aren't convinced it's going anywhere. However, new colors are almost guaranteed. All in all, the iPhone 18 may not turn heads at first, but Apple's betting that smarter internals and upgraded cameras will do the talking. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.